Hey everybody, it's ClearBatcher191 here, and today I'm going to be giving you tips on how to get rare. Now honestly, I don't know what it feels like to get rare, but these are some strategies I used. Number 1, start a plushie shop. Yay! So, start a plushie shop. So, basically, I just played the claw, because everybody knows that's how to get plushies. And so, here's like a little sofa if you're like really tired. And this is a bookshelf. If you want to read, that's one. And chest of gems. Yeah, anyways. And here's a recycling bin if you have recyclables. And here are some nice plants just for decoration and stuff. Here's a place to sit if you want to sniff a candle. Oh god. Alright. Yeah. If you want to sniff a candle, because it's clearly scented, duh. And here's some nice warmth. Help me, I'm dying. I'm dying in the fire. Alright. And here's a dresser with books, more books, in case you're more of a bookworm. And here's some more fire and stuff. Help me, I'm dying. And here's some tall grass. You can't see me. You can't see me. Face with peekaboo. And here are the actual plushies. Here's a swaggy penguin. Much swag. And here is a purple tiger. Here's an orange wolf. And here is Mr. Dark Panda of gloominess. Gloomy. I'm a panda. I'm gloomy and stuff. Yeah, I'm gloomy. Get away. I don't like people. And, well, he doesn't really mean well, he does mean business. Go away. Alright, sorry. And here's, what's it called? Got Phantom Fighter arcade game if you're bored for some reason. Oh, and here's a giant panda. Polar bear from my sister. Oof. Koala. Yeah. No. She's just stupid. Take away my look. No, I didn't. I'm still beautiful. Lena, shut up. And here's a gigantic kangaroo. I'm gloomy, go away. Alright. And here's Mrs. Penguin and Mr. Penguin sitting on a shelf, farting in each other's eyeballs. Dear fart meme. Alright, and here is a yellow tiger, a purple lion, a green crocodile, at least it's normal, and this very strange creature, a raging rhino, a pink elephant, I love that one, another purple lion, a yellow lion, I hate you, a yellow rhino, and yeah. A red rabbit. A black tiger. Alright. And a white kangaroo. And a giraffe. A purple giraffe. And this gigantic gray cheetah. I'm gloomy, go away. Jeez, alright. Oh, and here are my little koi. That's Jeff. Hey, Jeff. Go away. Alright, Jeff. I love you. Well, we're just gonna advertise people to come buy plushies. And I recommend that you say, I accept anything except for items in stores and other plushies. Well, I'll see you when people actually buy stuff. Oh, and I'm also going to put the plushies on trade. Well, guys, nobody came to my... Oh, very nice. But no, I'm sorry. Change a lot, please. Nobody came to my den. You guys thought that was the end of it, didn't you? Nope. I said tips, didn't I? Yeah. Here's the second one. Play the eagle adventure, but I'm a flamingo. So, yeah. You can get lots of rares and betas, and definitely den betas. Just recently, last video, I got, in the Forgotten Marathon, I got a pot of gems, and then I traded it, because I'm not a wise person. And so, the point is, play the Eagle Adventure. I'm sorry, this is only for members, but come on, once you get that membership and spend those 10 diamonds, it's totally worth it. Oh my god! Did you see that? Oh my god. I just got a rare eyeball hat from ground chest. Am I even typing any of this? Help, I'm frozen. I'll see you when we're at the first prize and, I'm not frozen.
No.
Ah!
No!
Mom!
No!
Mom!
Not!
Mom!
Do not do
Mom!
that. You're starting
Mom!
a new thing. You're
Mom!
starting an ending.
Mom!
Yes?
Mom!
Would you like me to not
Mom!
allow you to... I don't
Mom!
mind.
Mom!
Not
The pool right
this
after... Oh, it's wrong.
Well, it's time. And.
Oh my god, Mom. Okay, I think she's gone. What do we have? Shut up. What do we have? Oh, come on, I have plenty of these. Oof. Well, guys, I gotta go now. Oof. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. I got you again, didn't I? No. Let me close the door. Alright. I have one more tip for you guys. One more tip. Alright, so first I did the plushie shop, and then I did Forgotten Desert. Alright. Oof. It is avoid being scammed. If somebody says, I dress in black long spiked collar, give away my den, don't believe them. Don't believe them. They're not going to mention that they're doing trust, and later on they're going to mention it. And then things aren't going to go well. I got scammed off of a long spiked collar from those scamskers. Honestly, I can't remember the scammer's name. Heh. But yeah, just avoid being scammed, alright? You don't want to get scammed. You don't want to get scammed. That feeling right after you get scammed? Oof. It's a bad feeling. Very, very bad feeling. Ugh. Anyways, I hope these tips help. Oh! Also, when you play the Forgotten Desert, be sure to get more experienced players. I'm saying that because, you know, when you do it more, then you get better things. So, those people might have been doing it for a long time and got good things. If you're catching my drift. Yeah, well, anyways. I hope you enjoyed these tips. And I hope they help. So I will see you in the next one.